Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of tuning into this channel, you are highly welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will always be notified each time we post our new video. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We'll be right back. You are all welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have 10 advice for all the employees. Are you working in a private sector? Are you working in a government sector? Are you working in a federal sector? This advice is for you. This video is a must watch. If you know anybody that is an employee, if the person is working in a government sector, federal sector, government sector, please share this video with that person, and please give this video a thumbs up so that other people can as well see this video. So I have listed all the things I'm going to be discussing here with you people. Number one is build a home earlier. What do I mean by building a home earlier? Building a house at 50 years is not an achievement. Be it rural house, urban house, build a home for your family. Do not always feel comfortable in a government apartment. Make your family feel comfortable in your home. Plan yourself on time. Plan yourself earlier. Do not wait until you are 50 years and you will start building a home for your family. Always make a place for your family on time so that your family will be comfortable. Okay, don't wait until you're 50 years you will start building a house. You will find it difficult to build a house at that age, because by that time you have school fees to pay for, you have a lot of things to pay for. So building a house at 50 years is not an achievement. So the earlier you plan yourself, the better for you. So the next thing I have is go home. Go home. Yes, make sure you go home. You are not the pillar of your department. You are not the pillar of that office. Make sure you visit home once in a while or regularly, because if peradventure tomorrow you are not available or maybe something happens to you, that office will still move on and nobody will notice your absence in that office. So the better you go home, the earlier for you. Don't stay in the office from January to December. You are in the office. You don't even have off time for yourself. You don't even have leave for yourself. You don't even have time for your family. You don't even go home to visit your family or to visit your parents. It is very wrong. Make sure you go home, because if tomorrow something happens to you, your office will still continue. Nobody will know that something happened to you. So make sure you go home. Then the next thing I have here is avoid office or work gossip. Do not gossip in the office. Avoid it, because it is going to tarnish your image and it is also going to tarnish your reputation. So please avoid anything that will make you to start gossiping in the office or in your workplace. Please avoid it totally, so that your respect will be for you in that office, so that you will maintain your dignity in that office. Avoid gossip in the office or maybe in your working places. The next thing we have here is do not compete. Do not compete. Don't you ever compete with your boss. It is very wrong to go into competition with your boss. Don't even plan of doing that, or even think of going into competition with your boss. It's not going to favor you. Why doing that? You will make a lot of mistake in doing that. Please do not go into competition with your boss, because you will burn your fingers while doing that. So avoid anything that will make you to go into competition with your boss. So the next thing I have here, keep your marriage, your life, your home out from the office. Let your family be private. Do not discuss your family in the office. Do not discuss your home in the office, and do not discuss your marriage in the office. Keep it private from your working place. Do not discuss anything regarding to your family issues in the office. It is very wrong. To maintain your family and to maintain your privacy, please avoid discussing your family issues in the office or your marriage issues in the office. Avoid it totally in the office or in the working places. Do not bring up issues concerning your marriage, your family, or your children, whatsoever concern. Let your family be your private life. Do not bring it up in the office. It is very wrong. The next thing we have here is join work welfare. Yes, make sure in your office or your working place you join the work welfare. Not only joining them or not only being a member. Try and do what other people are doing. Try and participate with them, because something might come up tomorrow and you will need them to back you up. And if you're not a member, if you're not an active member, they might not be there to back you up. So always be an active member in your office. Make sure you join their welfare. Do what other people are doing. If they are paying dues, make sure you pay your dues. If there are things they are doing and you're expected to do that, please do whatsoever that you're expected to do in the welfare. Not only don't join because of joining sake, join and also participate whatsoever other people are participating in the welfare, so that if you have problem tomorrow, they will stand for you and they will be there to deliver whatsoever problem you have. Then the next thing we have is pension money. Pension money is not the money to start up a big business. Pension money is not the money for school fees. Pension money is not the money to buy a standard house or maybe a luxury house. Pension money is a small token for you to take good care of yourself in good health. It is just a small money for you to take good care of yourself. It is no money to buy a luxury or buy whatever you want to buy or build house. Don't start building house when you've started receiving your pension. Pension is just a small token for you to take good care of yourself. It is a pocket money. It is not a money for luxury life. It is not a money for building or maybe buying a standard whatsoever you want to use it for. Pension money is just a little money for you to take good care of yourself. The next thing we have here is ensure you have another business. Ensure you have another business aside from your salary, because along the line that salary might not be able to solve your problems. That salary might not be able to do all the things that you need money for. So ensure you have a side business apart from your monthly income. If you have a side business apart from your monthly income, you will not find it difficult when maybe our government of nowadays, if they're not paying you salary, you will not be affected if you have something else doing. But if you're not doing any other thing and you're not receiving your monthly salary, you might be affected. So make sure you have a side hustle apart from your government job, because government might disappoint tomorrow. If it is a government sector, you might be affected with salary issue and you will not get your monthly salary. So make sure you have a side hustle apart from your monthly salary. Don't rely on the monthly salary. Always have a side hustle. Have something else doing that can help you grow your family without relying or depending on anybody. So the next thing I have here, do not hate to retire. Do not hate to retire, because if you don't retire voluntarily, you will retire involuntarily. When it is time for you to retire, please retire, and make sure you retire early so that you can be able to plan yourself. If you don't retire early, you will not be able to plan yourself. Another thing I have is save money. Save money. Let it be deducted from your salary automatically from your pay slip. If you don't know how to do it, just go to the bank and ask them how they do it. Let a particular amount be deducted from your salary automatically from your payslip. Let it be deducted and save it, so that during the rainy days that money can solve one or two problems for you. Do not eat all the money at the same time. Make sure you save some money. Let it be deducted automatically from your salary. Okay, because it will help you. If peradventure something come up tomorrow, that money will go a long way for you. Another thing I have here is okay, I've discussed about join working welfare. Do not hate to retire. Save money. Be loyal to yourself. Borrow a loan if there is need for it. Borrow a loan to invest something tangible. Do not borrow a loan to buy luxury or maybe live a luxury life, but borrow a loan to make an investment. Borrow a loan because you have a need for that loan. Borrow a loan because you want to solve a tangible problem with that loan. Do not borrow a loan for enjoyment or for a luxury life. Make sure you are taking a loan for a tangible thing. Believe in your work. Do not rely on anybody. Believe in yourself. Believe that you can do this. Believe that you can do this. Because if you rely on someone, the person you rely on might disappoint you tomorrow. So always believe in yourself. Believe in what you can do. Be loyal to yourself and believe in your work. I hope all this will help you look at your life positively in your working places. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.